Landscape hanging lighting is a remarkable alternative for changing your outside space into a compelling and functional refuge. Outdoor hanging lighting provides elegance and attractiveness to your exterior area and improves safety and utility. This presentation will help you whether you want to create a warm environment in your backyard or brighten your garden walkway. We'll look at landscape hanging lighting from every angle in this video, from its definition to real-world design applications. Whether you're a rookie or a seasoned outdoor enthusiast, you'll learn about the importance, benefits, drawbacks, best practices, and creative real-life designs for lighting up your environment. Landscape hanging lighting, also known as outdoor pendant lighting, consists of installing light fixtures suspended from above, creating a delightful interplay of light and shadow that adds depth and character to landscapes. These fixtures are strategically positioned to illuminate outside spaces such as gardens, decks, porches, and patios in practical and decorative ways. Outdoor pendant lighting fixtures are available in a wide range of styles, designs, and materials, allowing homeowners to personalize the look and atmosphere of their exterior spaces. Now that we've established what landscape hanging lighting is, let's look at why it's so important in outdoor lighting design. Safety is one of the most important reasons to invest in landscape hanging lighting. Adequate lighting along paths, stairwells, and entryways guarantees that you and your guests can easily navigate your outdoor space even on the darkest nights. This decreases the possibility of an accident and provides a sense of security. Outdoor hanging lighting isn't just about safety, it's also about creating a mesmerizing atmosphere. The soft, warm glow of hanging lights imparts a comfy and inviting ambience to your outdoor gatherings. Whether you're hosting an intimate dinner or simply unwinding with a book, the proper lighting can set the mood perfectly. With landscape hanging lighting, your outside living space doesn't have to hibernate when the sun goes down. You can extend your outdoor gatherings well into the evening hours, making the most of your lighting investment. It's the ideal way to enjoy the serenity of your garden or the tranquility of your patio after a long day. Beyond the immediate benefits, landscape hanging lighting can enhance your property's overall value. Well-designed and installed lighting increases visual appeal and attracts potential buyers or renters. It's an investment that pays off both aesthetically and financially. Let's take a closer look at the advantages and disadvantages of landscape hanging lighting to help you make an informed decision. Landscape hanging lighting fixtures come in various styles and designs, allowing you to choose the perfect one to match your outdoor aesthetics. You can tailor your lighting to create the desired ambience, whether it's a romantic, rustic, or modern feel. Outdoor hanging lighting allows you to use your outside space late into the night, maximizing your enjoyment. Properly illuminated pathways and steps reduce the risk of accidents and provide a sense of security. Thoughtful landscape lighting can increase the value of your property and make it more attractive to potential buyers. High-quality landscape hanging lights can be expensive, especially if you have a large outdoor area to illuminate. While some installations can be DIY projects, others may require professional electrical work, adding to the overall cost. Outdoor fixtures are exposed to the elements and may require regular maintenance, including cleaning, bulb replacement, and occasional repairs. Depending on the type of bulbs used, outdoor lighting can contribute to higher energy bills. To make the most of your landscape hanging lighting, follow these best practices. Begin by creating a lighting plan that specifies the places you want to illuminate and the fixtures you intend to utilize. Identify key areas where you want to install fixtures and consider the style and mood you want to achieve. Proper planning ensures even illumination and prevents overlighting or shadows. Select fixtures that complement your outdoor aesthetics and are suitable for outdoor use. Invest in long-lasting, weather-resistant fixtures made from materials like aluminum, stainless steel, or glass. Consider LED lights for energy efficiency and longevity. Install fixtures at the appropriate height and angle to achieve the desired lighting effect. For dining areas, choose a height that lets in enough light while not blocking the view. Pathway lights should be positioned high enough to avoid obstacles. Consider the location of power sources and the availability of electrical outlets. Ensure that wiring is adequately concealed and protected from the elements. Hire a qualified electrician if necessary to ensure safety and compliance with local electrical codes. Layer light by combining several types of fixtures, such as task lighting for functional areas and ambient lighting for mood setting. Schedule routine maintenance to clean fixtures, replace bulbs, and inspect wiring to keep your landscape hanging lighting in excellent condition. Now that you have a basic understanding of landscape hanging lighting, let's explore some inspiring real-life designs to ignite your creativity. Hang globe string lights above a cozy outdoor seating area, creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere for intimate evenings. Install a stunning chandelier in your gazebo to make it a focal point and a luxurious retreat for relaxation and entertainment. Line your garden walk with elaborate shepherd's hooks and gorgeous lantern-style lamps. This offers the illusion of a fanciful, enchanted garden. Drape a canopy of string lights above your outdoor seating area for a bohemian-inspired oasis. Add colorful cushions, rugs, and lanterns for a vibrant touch. Convert vintage lanterns into hanging pendants for a rustic and DIY touch to your outdoor decor, perfect for a farmhouse or cottage-inspired design. Hang a wrought iron chandelier in the center of your covered patio to infuse rustic charm. Pair it with wooden furniture and earthy decor for a comfy retreat. Hang fairy lights in the branches of your trees to create a magical canopy of twinkling lights that provide a dreamy backdrop for your outdoor space. It's perfect for intimate gatherings and stargazing nights. Light up your poolside with hanging globe lights. The reflections on the water surface create a dreamy, resort-like ambience. Whether you want a comfy backyard retreat, a well-lit garden path, or an elegant patio ambience, landscape hanging lighting is the key to achieving your outdoor lighting dreams. Outdoor hanging lighting is more than just a practical addition to your outside space. It can transform it into a captivating and functional oasis. By understanding its definition, recognizing its importance, weighing the advantages and disadvantages, and following best practices, you can create an outdoor environment that shines brightly and beautifully every night. Drawing inspiration from real-life designs, you have the tools to take your outdoor space to new heights of elegance and allure with landscape hanging lighting. So, enchant your world with landscape hanging lighting, and make your outdoor space shine brightly at night.